number 1, are you ready for your question? Okay. Music, please. Okay, reminder sa ating audience, please refrain from making noise while the contestant is answering the question. Is that clear? Again, may I remind sa ating audience that you have to refrain from making noise or any noise para nga para hindi maka-intervene sa ating contestant para maka-answer na clearly. Okay? So before you pick your question, let us first make your heart beat slow. Okay. Inhale. Ura ka inhale. Exhale. Ura man ka exhale. Ama nang way ka exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. So, kada kasalanan natin may individual differences. So, excited rin na mag-pick. Pero hindi na ako magpa-pick kanimo. Okay. So, sino ang inspiration mo para mag-intra sa pageant talaga?
My family.
Okay, your family is your greatest inspiration. Thank you so much for that wonderful question. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 1. Okay, so are you excited? Are you afraid? Or are you happy? What is your emotion?
A little bit nervous.
Okay, little bit nervous, but please change that nervousness into joy. Okay? So, you may pick your question. Okay, please give me the question. Okay. Let our judges, first judge, read the question. Para mabatian mo natin ang limag at mga judges. Okay? Judge number 1.
Good evening, contestant number 1. Your question is, for you, what is the role of the youth in the community? Again, for you, what is the role of the youth in the community?
Thank you for that beautiful question. For me, the role of the youth in our community is the youth ang atin ang youth ang morang pag-asa as ang Bani Jose Rizal, ang mga kabataan is pag-asa kang bayan. As it is, kita ang makapabago sa komunidad. So, ang role ng mga kabataan is to gain our community so peaceful and also makatogrok ito kang ang mga kabataan makatogrok kang peace kag makapabago pa sa ating komunidad. And I thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, contestant number 1. Okay, so reminder sa ating contestant, you can answer the question in your most convenient language na gamitin. Okay, so let us take the center stage, contestant number 2. Okay, contestant number 2. Sa taga-digay ikaw, what barangay you came from?
Kabunutan.
Okay, from Barangay Kabunutan. Diin ang mga taga-Barangay Kabunutan. Okay, so, contestant number 2. So, please take a chance nga magpasalamat sa imong mga kabarangay.
Una sa tanan, gusto ko ito salamatan ang akan nga handler. Ipagwapa, nagkitakontalan ni gabi. At sa akan nga family, thank you so much.
Okay. It always starts with a grateful heart, no? So, please mention the name of of your handler para mamanaan ka tanan. Basi ma-live kita talag from Facebook. Sige, sino ang imong handler?
Ngaran ka nga handler si Jade Villasino.
Okay, Jane Villasino! Thank you so much sa handler natin.
AKA Miss Black Ray.
Okay, Black Gray. Sige, sino raw? Hindi ko rin kilala. Si Black Gray. Sige, pakingila. Yan tara karon. But, the question is, are you ready for your question?
Ready na.
Okay, sige. Pick your question. Okay. And your question will be read by our second judge.
Okay, good evening everyone. So, good evening sa ating mga candidates. So, here's your question. What make your unity from the other candidates? Again, what make your unity? What makes your unity from the other candidates?
Thank you so much for your question. For me, the next unique candidate is Max Kidman. Amano. With a good value and good attitude to thank you very much.
Okay, thank you so much. Contestant number 2. What makes you unique is your attitude and values. Let us welcome our contestant number 3. Okay, contestant number 3, please take a chance to thank your supporters. Okay, thank you so much, contestant number 3. So, are you ready now to answer the question?
Yes.
Louder, please.
Yes.
Inhale. Exhale. Okay, I believe you are ready. So, please pick your question. Okay, and your question will be read to you by our chief judge.
Mayat kabiliwan sa tanan. So, hello again, candidate number 3. So, this is the third time na nakita ikaw in the world of pageantry. So, are you ready with your question?
Yes.
Okay. So, your question runs this way. What is the real essence of being a woman? Again, what is the real essence of being a woman?
Thank you for the wonderful question.
So again, candidate number 3, ang ko pamangkot, what the real essence of being a woman? Again, what is the real essence of being a woman?
Nga maging babae ako kaugalingon kag
Okay, thank you so much, contestant number 3. I believe the essence of being a woman is... Okay, depende ka kung sa inyo answer. Let's proceed with contestant number 4. Okay, contestant number 4, you have the loudest fans club sa tinag na gabi. Okay, the question is, pila ang gimbayan mo sa mga fans mo sa Lazara?
Pinimo ko lang ako the best.
Okay, that's the essence of your doing your best. Now, the support coming from our supporters cannot be paid by any money that is coming from the heart. Okay, so contestant number 3, are you ready? Okay, so please your question. Okay, this time I will read the question for contestant number 4. If you were given a chance to win in this competition, what would be your advocacy? Again, if you were given a chance to win in this competition, what would be your advocacy?
Thank you for wonderful questions. Ngayon ko kasi ko na kumanta bro, ang ka-chance nga madaag sa mo dyan nga programa. At sa kababaihan, at sa kabihan yung pakita ko na talento kag ipamahal sa tanan nga kabihan.
Okay, again, if you will win this competition, what would be your advocacy?
Advocacy ko at sa kabihan, mag-diribon kita kag mag-diribon kita kag palangganay ka para sa ating kalandan. Thank you.
Thank you so much, contestant number 4. So, and now, the last but not the least contestant number 5. Okay, contestant number 5. So, as you hear the answers from your co-contestants, what do you feel? How you feel your boss? So, I believe kaya mo dyan. Okay? So, ready ka mag-pick? Sige, let's pick your question. Okay, this time, our chief judge will read to you the question.
So, sa liwan mayad na gabi, you look like Jadeline Mikla, the chairperson of Barangay Kawayangan. So again, your question is, if you were given the chance to change one thing in the world, what would it be? Again, if you were given the chance to change one thing in the world, what would it be?
Thank you for that wonderful question. If I were given a chance to change one thing in the world, it would be poverty. Ensuring that everyone has access to basic needs like water and healthcare.
Thank you so much, contestant number 5. Brief and concise. Okay, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our contestant answer portion. So this time, let us give our contestant a break. You may now proceed to the backstage. Once again, our contestants in Hiyas Kambakol 2025.